Houston headquarters is a 48,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility that has SMT, box build, our logistics department, and engineering all under one roof. Our headquarters is the core of our high-mix, low-volume manufacturing. The lines here change over many times a day, and we regularly process orders that are as small as a single panel. No order is too small or complex. With so many different designs built in a single day with no margin for error, every step of the process needs to stay in absolute lockstep. The MacroFab platform makes this possible by acting as a single source of truth for every station, from receiving to final inspection. The MacroFab team sees thousands of unique designs a year and is specifically trained for this type of production. Small prototype orders don't have the luxury of running validation panels. As such, our engineering team reviews every single placement for errors and potential manufacturing issues. The production teams are trained on and have experience in a wide array of processes, tools, and technologies in order to meet whatever requirements our customers may provide. Unlike a high-volume production environment, past experience with a given design can provide misleading information. It is common to receive nearly identical designs from the same customer as they go through the prototyping and validation process. In order to prevent incorrect assumptions, MacroFab handles every design in isolation, and the team always relies solely on the data for the job at hand. The data is distributed directly from the MacroFab platform to all stations, and our advanced platform leverages AI-driven automation and real-time analytics to provide you with an unprecedented control and visibility into your manufacturing operations. Quality is at the core of our operations. From incoming inspection on raw materials to final inspection of finished goods, MacroFab adheres to the highest industry standards to provide exceptional quality.